place is so sick. Must be a Marlin fishing tournament. It just started. There's a million boats taking off. A million sport yachts. This guy's shredding right here. Oh.
There's the ATM if we need to get more money out.
Nah, we got plenty. Herbie, you on the boat? What's up?
Made it on the boat.
Herbie made it. Herbie made it.
You gonna catch a tuna?
Talk to me. What do you got? What are you thinking?
Hey!
You gonna catch some big fish.
Herbie. No, bueno. What do you got, Bueno? What do you got?
I think it's gonna be a good report today. Being optimistic. We got everybody on the boat. It's gonna be great.
Shot, dude.
Okay. Greenie. You got?
It's gonna be a good time, man. Out here with the boys. Thanks for coming, everybody.
Greenie's getting married.
What you got?
We're in the best boat in the, I think, in the marina. So we're gonna get the best catch. Right?
¡Qué milagro!
¿Cuánto lo quieres? ¿Bonito? Sí, eso es bonito.
Well, I wish I was a catfish, swimming in the deep blue sea. I'd have all you pretty one fishing after me, fishing after me, yeah, fishing after me.
Easy.
Nice and easy, Max. Nice and easy. Suave.
Lift it up. I'll get it in there, yeah.
Come on, baby. Yeah, he's close, baby. How big? I mean, depending on how big it is. Big. He said how big.
What do you say? Can you keep it or mount? What do you say? Mount, right?
I'm gonna put it up in the reality.
Is it a, oh, there's jumping. It's jumping out there.
Right there.
There it is. Going for a jump.
Yeah. Oh! Let's go, Max! Let's go! Marlin, baby! You gotta go get the hook. Come on, Max. Right underneath it. He's right there.
He's got it. He's good. It's okay if you don't. It's alright if you don't have it. There. See.
God damn. Come on, Max.
Perfect. I still gotta work out. I want to work out. Nice.
He's heavy right here, dude. He's coming. He's right. Yeah, you can almost see him. Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
It's right here. Hey, Marlin.
Back! Got him back. Yeah! Yeah, that bitch is nice.
That shit's beautiful, bro.
Beautiful, bro. Oh, that shit is beautiful.
Fucking nature, Herbie! Nature!
Come on, man. This is fucking awesome, bro. I'm dead.
I got the back of the net. Covered in sweat. Max is out here covered in sweat. 15-minute motor fight.
Heart rate 156. It's gotta be more than that.
Apple Watch is sending alerts to him.
There you go, Max. There you go. Yeah, bro. That's a fucking tuna, dude.
Damn, that's a nice Marlin, bro. Oh my.
Victor.
Get down the corner.
Get down the corner, Max.
Not baby, this is one more.
Get in here, guys. Get in here. Get in here. No, I ain't getting in there.
I'll get in there.
Quick pick, quick pick, quick pick.
Here. Herb, nice and easy, nice and easy. Nice and easy, Herb.
Alright, roll down, roll down, roll down. Yeah! Herbie, how you feeling? Talk to me, how you feeling?
Beautiful, man. What a fight.
He's running, let him run. Yep. I won't even do feed them on these fish?
Wow! What's up, buddy? Oh, shit, you dumbass. Look, he's gonna feed him.
Oh! Hey! Jackie.
Hey boy, yes you are.
Oh shit!
The phone though.
I can send it to you.
Woo.
Pretty fucking cool.
Scared?
I got a little nervous there. I was gonna go for it, then I.
Wait, you got another one?
No, that's it. There she is. Mucho taco, eso.